Welcome children to the another lecture of chapter 4, that is metal and non-metal. In the last video we have discussed about the physical property of metal and non-metal. In it we have discussed about the physical state. Okay, then we have discussed about luster, then we have discussed about color, then we have discussed hardness, malleability. In it we have discussed both metal and non-metal. Now the next physical properties, that is a ductility. So what is ductility? The properties by which metals can be drawn into a thin wire is called ductility. Means metal can be easily converted into the thin wire, and this property is known as ductility. If you remember, before this we have discussed malleability. What is malleability? When we have converted metal into a thin sheet, that is called malleability. Remember foil wrap, that is a example of malleability of aluminium. The same ductility means then you will convert a metal into a thin wire. So metal, most metals can be easily drawn into the thin wire, which have a wide range of application. Whereas non-metals are brittle and cannot be drawn into wire. Remember brittle means easily broken. If you try to convert them into the wire, they will break. So it is not possible to convert that plastic into a wire. Now the next one is a thermal conductivity. So the metals are good conductor of heat and are used for making cooking utensils. Silver is the best conductor of heat, followed by copper. Okay, that's why metal utensils, means utensils which you can use in your kitchen, are made up by the mostly metal. That's why they can absorb the heat very easily and cook your food very fast. Okay, whereas non-metals are generally poor conductor of heat. They are very poor conductor of heat. That's why the handles of the utensils are made up by the plastics. But diamond, which is a good conductor of heat, is an exception. So there are some exceptions also there. Now the next heading in the physical property, that is a electrical conductivity. First of all, metals are good conductor of electricity and are therefore used for making electric wires. I will show you. If you can see, this is a wire, and this portion is made up by the metal or the copper or silver. That's why it is a good conductor of electricity, because it can pass electricity very easily. Whereas non-metals are generally poor conductor of electricity. So if you can see the green portion on the wire, this is a green portion. You can see this is made up by the non-metal material. So you can hold it very easily in your finger or by your hand without any danger. The current will passes out inside this wire, and this is made up by metal. That's why this is a good conductor, and this metal wire is covered by the plastic covering. So this is non-metal and it is a poor conductor of electricity. And many of time you have seen this plier also. Okay, sorry, this is patchcus. You have seen this is made up by the metal, and this their handle where you will hold this patchcus is made up by the plastic, so it will not give you shock. Same if you have seen the plier body is made up by the metal, but if you can see their handles is totally covered with the plastics, which is non-metal, so it will protect you from any kind of a shock. That's why they are poor conductor of heat, and the metal, this is a good conductor of heat or electricity. Now the next physical property, that is a sonority. So first of all we will see what is a sonority. The property by virtue of which metal object produce a ringing sound when struck with a hard object is called sonority. Okay, the sound. Metals, when metal pipe strike each other, they produce a ringing sound. I will show you. Just like I have taken a glass and the spoon, if I will hit them, so the sound which is produced, it is a ringing sound, and that is called a sonority of metal. But when it will come to the plastic, non-metal produce a dull sound when strike with a hard object. If I will take a two comb like that and I will hit them, you will not find out any type of ringing sound. So you will not find any type of ringing sound when we hit plastic on any hard object or togetherly. So in today's video we have discussed about the ductility of metal and non-metal, then thermal conductivity of metal and non-metal, electric conductivity of metal and non-metal, and sonority of metal and non-metal. Thank you.